Okay, you may already know by now that the Pixel token, that's a not Pixel token, is going to be listing in November. So meaning people can start, cashing out their PX tokens that they mine from this airdrop in November. So we're making this video to teach you how to actually earn Pixel tokens on this platform. And please, before I go into it, I'm going to tell you, if there is any airdrop you want to take serious, if you're someone who wants to raise money for something important from crypto airdrops, this is one of the airdrops I'm going to advise you take completely seriously, because Notcoin have proven over time that they don't joke when it comes to airdrop distribution. We've seen them do that with airdrop like Notcoin and dogs, where they a project they promoted or brought out themselves ended up giving billions of dollars to the crypto community. And I believe they're about to repeat the same thing with the Notpixel airdrop. So this is simply how to do it. Now what you're looking at is a picture canvas, with different paintings, right? So what the Notpixel airdrop entails is just for you to drop paint on each of these canvas. And when you do drop paint, you earn PX tokens, that's pixel tokens, for it. It's as simple as that. And if you look closely, you would notice that a lot of paint are moving on this screen. So these are people, I think this is a community that must have painted this flag of a country, even though Notpixel has warned that painting flags is a red flag, meaning they don't allow it. So you're not expected to paint a full image. All you need to do, this is the amount of painting you have per time, so you have just 5 to do. And when you paint from here, it adds to your pixel token up here, right? So let's experiment that. So you zoom into the picture canvas, you click on paint. Just watch, we have 889 here. You click on paint, it takes from here and add to your balance up here, right? So click on paint, it takes and adds. I don't know why that's not going up, but it's supposed to add up to your to balance. So and one thing that happens is this: when you paint, okay, you can actually boost. Sorry, I want to say you can actually boost how many gets to get added initially. If you've not done any boostings, you would normally have you would usually have just about one painting to drop at a time. So but there's an option for you to boost it to either 1.5 and so on. So as you can see, I drop a paint, it adds up to my overall balance. I drop another paint, it adds to my overall balance. So you see that's okay, that was a glitch initially, but now it's adding up. So but there are different other ways also that you can earn these Notpixel tokens, right? And one of the ways I'm going to let you know is the task section. So please endeavor you complete the task. There are a lot of tasks to do, which are going to earn you at least 64 pixels per task. So the first one here is the invite bonus. So when you invite people, you're going to earn 8 pixels for a normal friend and 64 pixels for a friend who has a premium account, and then you earn 16% of all the minings from your friends. And secondly, there are tasks. When you paint 20 times, you claim 64 pixels. You invite 3 friends, you claim 64 pixels. You join a squad. I advise you join the Dexa squad. We must have shared the link at some point. And then if you have Telegram Premium, you get 512 pixels. If you're in Silver League, you get another 16 pixels. If you spend some stars, these are stars, and you buy them with money. So if you do any of these things, you also earn 512 pixels for it. Now the easy ones are, you could join Notpixel channel, join Notpixel on x.com, join Notcoin community, and follow Notcoin on X. So I would advise you complete all of these tasks. They're going to earn you up to 500 pixels tops, right? And so that is that about that. Now let me talk about the claim section. Now here is where your pixels are mining. Unlike other airdrops that you're used to, you don't get to tap or to buy any of those things. Your profit per hour. Okay, consider this as your profit per hour. It's the same kind of thing you had with some of the old airdrops. And how it works is this: for each painting you do on the canvas, it adds 0.1 pixel in your mining capacity. So meaning if you paint 46 pixels, if you've painted a total of 46 pixels, it's going to add 0.1 pixel, which means you're going to be you're going to be making about 4.6 pixels in a day. So let's use it for example. Here they said if you've done 39 repaints, so you're going to be making 3.9 pixels in a day, and you must claim them in 8 hours. After 8 hours it stops mining, so you have to come every 8 hours to claim this for it to keep mining. Let me repeat, how you increase the mining capacity is by painting. So for each paint you've dropped, it adds 0.1 pixel to your mining capacity. If you've dropped up to 100 paints, so it means you can actually earn 10 pixels per 8 hours in 8 hours. So that is how how that works over here. So that's basically how to do it. There is nothing more to do. Then if you feel like you want to boost your stuff to be able to start mining more, you come to this boost section. So you can see there's an option for you to increase your recharge speed, meaning the amount of time you want it to recharge. You want to decrease it, you can buy that for 5 px tokens. You also have an option to increase your paint reward. It used to be 1. For this account we've increased the paint reward to 1.5. We paid 5 pixels for it, so if you want to get it to 2, you now have to pay 100 pixels to get there, right? So you invite people, you make more pixels, you paint more, you make more pixels, and all of that. So that's basically how to engage on the platform. Zoom in, drop a paint, it adds to your overall balance. I hope you got value. Please do share this video and follow, like, and subscribe. Drop a comment if you have a question, or you fall back to our Telegram channel to get clarification on any other thing that you are confused about with regards the Notpixel airdrop activity. We hope we've added value to you today. Thank you for being part of Texas.